Oh, hey, the lens thing's not open all the way. I don't know if that makes a difference or not. Alright guys, we're cutting this lip off. Gotta clean it up. I mean, we're gonna have to do a little bit of work on it just because it's got the pinch bolts in it, but Tyler got like, what, seam sealer for it? Is that what you use, seam sealer? Or the dolly?
Bondo.
Bondo, okay.
Bondo, so Brent's cutting this ugly pinch weld off the firewall where the cowl meets, and then it's gonna end up looking exactly like my notch. Right here, all smooth. So you can seam seal it in the middle, in between, because they do separate. And then you just Bondo the top and bottom, then block it off, make it smooth, and then block up here and make that smooth as well.
Does Jessica get a shout today? All right, Jessica, you worked me out good this morning. We went, oh, there's my mom. She got my Jeep right now. I know, guys, your dad love the Jeep. Anyways, went to the gym this morning with Jessica. What's up, Jessica?
She watches this?
No, but she probably will. Eventually, at some point, she will. I just wanted to say her name in there. So anyways, hey, Jessica.
Tell them what we got coming up in the next couple weeks.
We got Jessica Mondays coming up. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. No, I kind of already said in the last video, I didn't ever show you, Tyler, but I made a 6-minute video yesterday.
Did you?
For you. Yeah, I just didn't tell you.
Good.
So I already kind of gave away part of the sneak peek. I didn't tell them everything, all the details. I said we're going to leave some of that up for what's it called?
Sweet. But yep, so more news coming up, and more videos. So we're doing this. I just spent about 20 minutes and taped up Chris Ladd's car, so it's ready for primer. I got the primer mixed up. So Brent and I blocked this twice. Core support, we deleted the hood latch and bracket and some other holes that were just looking like crap with all the rest of the shaved engine bay, so we just figured might as well do it. Called Chris, he was like, hell yeah, do it. So we did it. Deleted the holes up there that were for the sway bar or the strut tower brace. So now we're ready to prime, and then Chris went ahead and fixed all these places where you scored the hell out of it with tools or something. So we helped you out there, buddy. So anyway, I'm gonna get ready to spray it. I'm not gonna film spraying, but we'll show you guys after I get done priming. All right, so we got 3 coats of primer on the Mystic car. And now tomorrow when we come in, we can re-block it with like 220 and then do another 2 coats of primer. And then it'll be ready to sand and paint. And this engine bay is gonna look awesome, especially being Mystic. Well, fresh Mystic at that. So we'll be sure to do the whole video on that so you guys don't miss anything. So Brent's over here still. He's jumping from Steve's car to Tim's car. So we just shaved both lips off.
I still gotta go back with the grinder, and what I'm doing right now is this edge. They're technically 2 pieces of metal that were actually like welded together. Anyways, they kind of flare out. So what I'm doing is I'm putting them together, and then I end up just getting the grinder. I'm gonna go back and just straighten everything out. Now some of this stuff, guys, like this right here, we're just gonna end up filling that. So we'll put tape on the underside of it, what we call back taping it, and then what are you gonna put seam seal on there, Tyler, or something, or
yeah, or we could weld it.
Bonding. Oh yeah, I guess we
actually I didn't even fill those on mine. I left them kind of.
No, you did.
No, I didn't. No, I left them like that because I liked them. What? I swear. Look.
All right. Well, anyways, I don't know.
I don't know. I just kind of like the little notch. It just kind of makes it look different. I don't know. We'll leave them or fill them or whatever. It just depends, I guess, when we get to that point. But yeah, definitely have to grind all these down because that is sharp as hell. Little burrs and shit.
Smooth. Yeah. So anyways, that's what we're doing. Figure if we're doing one engine way, do another one.
Yep, do them right at the same time. We're going to end up getting them in primer. And then this one's going to go green and that one's going to go white.
Yep. So Tyler, what are we going to do about this right here? So this is where the car was wrecked and they replaced the whole front clip. So, I mean, that's not anything like the other one.
Yep, we'll have to just put some seam sealer in there so water doesn't leak down in there.
I mean, it can still get in there, but I just don't like that big gap because that'll be ugly.
Well, then we can dolly it from the underside right here.
Oh, that's
make it go
up.
up.
I like the sound of that.
Something like that.
Yeah. So on kind of both sides. I don't kind of like that too.
So we fixed Brandon's broken tab on this side and his broken bezel, and we're just waiting on this damn rear Cobra bumper to dry. That primer I have is just so slow drying. It's been like 3 days and it's still like gummy as hell. So it's supposed to warm up this weekend, so we'll get it painted by the weekend because I needed to reprime it. I was going to reprime it when I primed the core support on Chris's car, but it's just too gummy. It's just not dry yet. This is that Summit primer, which is actually really good, but it just takes a long time to dry, especially in this cold weather. So what are you doing, Brent?
Well, I need another rolly cart, so if one of you customers wants to go and buy me another rolly cart like that, I need one for every car.
And donate it?
Yeah, because right now I'm working on those engine bays over there, so I need it for like the grinding pads and sanding and all that fun stuff. So anyways, I want one for every car. So feel free to send that in if somebody wants to get that to us. But no, other than that, I'm just taking stuff apart, kind of organizing everything right now on the ground. I swear I'm going to find another cart.
So what special delivery did we have today?
Well, Alex's uncle came in. He wanted Bosch stripes on his car or something, I don't know. And they didn't have bleed brakes. And then also, we had Dennis Collins come in and drop off his Reef Blue. What is this, 9350, Tyler? So this is going to be a new Coyote swap car. And it's already got 5-lug Cobra swap.
Yeah, but it's Kevin's, though.
Yeah,
Dennis is his dad.
Kevin is the owner's name.
Yeah.
His dad's name is Dennis. It's not really Dennis Collins, but I swear to God, the guy looked just like him. And here, I got a picture of it. So,
oh, yeah.
It was really funny.
Brent took a picture.
We got Snapchat of it. I loved it. It was so sick. So, anyways, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. So that was them dropping the car off. And then I've got it of him as well. So I swear it looked just like Dennis Collins. I was like, wow, man. And
his name's Dennis too. That's funny. Brent had no idea.
So I wanted a picture of it. I thought it was cool. So the car's really clean. He wants a, technically like an engine shave, just like Tyler on his notch. And then other than that, just a repaint. So it's been repainted once. They didn't take it apart, so.
You can see the orange peel in it.
Yeah, we just gotta.
It actually, dude, it looks good on camera.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of
holy crap, it looks good on camera. That's weird. Yeah, the car's super, super clean though.
One owner, old lady. I think it's the owner said it's got like 200,000 miles on it, which
yep.
It doesn't even have a speck of rust underneath. Like it really is clean. I thought it had 20,000 miles on it. I mean, it is super clean. Coil over Bilsteins in the front, Bilsteins
yep.
in the rear.
They came all the way from right up near Cleveland, Ohio. Yep. This morning. They said they left at like 5 a.m. and they had a foot of snow up there. So that's why there's salt all over it. So we're doing engine bay shave, no Scott rod panels. He's going to put a hydro boost in there, so we're going to take the brake booster out and just leave it out, and then all the brake lines are going to be left out. Yeah, so he's got some new parts like weather strip and a new cowl and stuff like that. We're going to be putting on new quarter windows. I think we're going to get new side moldings for it. He's already got Cobra front disc brakes and then Cobra rear disc brakes as well, so he's already got that. He's got the suspension done. So now we're just ready to do the body work, and then he's ready to start piecing together his Coyote swap. I think he's already got the 14 truck engine, and not sure what transmission he's running. I think he's going to run some digital gauges in the interior, and yeah, so this is going to be awesome.
It's going to be cool because he's leaving the old 5.0 emblems, and I think he's got Celine SC wheels for it, which are clean, but he's really just going to keep it stock for the most part, so that's really nice in our eyes. I mean, a lot of people want to go and change emblems, change like just crazy stuff, but it's just a really clean car.
I'll tell you what's clean, those brand new Cobra
calipers.
Yeah, they're like NOS
he said
looking.
He bought it for another car and never put them on it, so he just decided to put on this car. But yeah, coilovers.
Coilover setup just like I have on my notch and like I have on my 03 Cobra.
Yeah. He drove it for a year, which is honestly hard to tell because I don't even see it rock chip.
But look, no rust at all.
It is clean.
So this is probably the nicest car that anyone's ever sent us so far.
Other than
Fox body wise. Yeah, Brody's was really clean too, but he had already done the engine bay, so that was easier on us. So anyway, we'll be totally disassembling this and then putting it back together. This one honestly shouldn't take too long, and I can't wait to get started on it. Reef Blue, never painted it. I love the color, and we're gonna knock it out of the park. So Kevin, hope you got some video of it for what it looks like before, because when you pick this thing up, this thing's gonna be a brand new car for you. We just got these, he's got the 17-inch tri-bars on it right now, and I told him when we're done with it, when he picks it up, to bring the other wheels. That way we can put the new wheels on it and get some video for you guys. Because a lot of times when they get picked up, they're not 100% done. So we're just trying to get the wheels so you guys get an idea of what the car is going to actually look like once he gets a Coyote in there. But who knows? We'll see him. Maybe we'll see him at Carlisle or Mustang Week. He said he's never been to Mustang Week. So I don't know if he's gonna make it this year. Who knows? But hopefully some of you guys will recognize the car, maybe up where he's from or at some local shows. Hopefully he'll go to American Muscle or Carlisle, and you guys get to check it out. So there'll be more videos coming up on this. We just got it a couple hours ago, and we're gonna finish up Chris's, and then we got Tim's to finish up, and then we're gonna move on to the Terminator, and then we got a couple more of you guys wanting to send some cars in. So yeah, so I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm not really gonna film us doing the rear brakes on this. I gotta test drive and stuff, see if they're working right, and get everything ready, because we're going to Gatlinburg for Ponies in the Smokies. So we'll be back after we get some more stuff around the shop done. I think I'm gonna get some painting done tonight, and we need to pressure wash the engine bay on this Reef Blue and degrease it as well. So anyway, we'll be back.